Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to remove email forwarder in Gmail account. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are going to delete email forwarding address. Now on top you see settings, so click on it, and then you see all settings, so again click on it. Now we are in general setting, and then you see forwarding, so click on it, and then you see forwarding, disable forwarding, forward a copy of incoming mail to. If you want, you can disable forwarding, or if you want, you can remove it. Now select, and then you see remove, and then you see pop up, confirm active forward address removal warning, so click on OK. Now you see you have removed the forwarding address. So now refresh the page. So in this way you can remove or disable email forwarding address in Gmail. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.